Good morning, everybody. On your screen there, you can see our agenda for the week. We have our daily check-ins Monday through Thursday. There's also going to be some notes posted and some videos, of course. Delta Math. I started using this last week. Some of you got on there and created an account. Some of you didn't. If you didn't, I'm going to be starting to use Delta Math quite a bit. So make sure you create an account. My teacher code is 801587. Use your email. Make up your own password. There are 3 assignments in there, 1 from last week, 2 from this week. There will be no assignments that I've created in our Google Classroom, just the daily check-ins and our Delta Math this week. And so I'll be grading you from your Delta Math as far as the assignments go. Okay, and I'll list those in our grading. Now, again, I entered some grades yesterday. If you've done makeup work or anything like that, please email me so that I can make those changes in your grade. Have a great week and email if you have any questions.